Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the headlight bulbs on a 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be working on this 2012 Ford F-150 XLT, and procedures will be similar for F-150s from 2009 to 2014. But be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface. Make sure your headlights are turned off and open your hood. Use a ratchet and 10mm socket to remove the 3 retaining bolts securing the assembly. You'll see 2 on the top and 1 on the front. Once the bolts are removed, pull out the headlight assembly toward the front of the truck to disengage the 2 snaps attached at the fender. Be sure to have your replacement bulb ready to go before you remove the old one. And when you handle the new one, be sure not to touch it with your bare fingers. Finger oil or grease makes a hot spot on the glass that can cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Press the tab on the wire harness to unplug it from the back of the socket. Remove the bulb and socket from the assembly by turning it counterclockwise and carefully lift it out. Turn the new bulb clockwise in the headlight assembly to secure it. Reattach the wire harness at the back of the socket by snapping it back into place. Push the assembly carefully back into place to re-engage the snap attachments. Before replacing the bolts, turn on your headlight to make sure that the new bulb is working. Use your 10mm socket to replace the 3 bolts securing the assembly. Headlights should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.